Let me tell you, whether you are not yet up to 1,000 subscribers or you've not even gotten to your 4,000 watch hours, you can make money. I mean, good money from YouTube. Now, this is where the smart content creators focus on, because YouTube is a wonderful business tool that you can use to make wealth if you only know what you are doing. And anyways, that's what Coach Glory is here to teach us on today's video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Glory C, and I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels on YouTube. I tell you the mistakes to avoid and the things that you should do on YouTube so you can grow and also, of course, make money from YouTube. So if this sounds like something that you would love, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. Hit it and let's enjoy this beautiful video. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, do that now. Oh my god, it's been a while I sat down. So now the thing is, I told you all that even before I got monetized on YouTube, I mean before I got accepted into the YPP, that's the YouTube partnership program, I already started making money from YouTube. I mean, money that my salary was not even paying me. Anyway, so this is to tell you that making money from YouTube doesn't have to be solely focused on the AdSense revenue. Do you understand? Now, the very first thing, see, if you are sleeping on this particular one, I'll fine you. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for this particular one, like step by step, so that you can start making money from YouTube. Okay, so now the thing is, affiliate programs, if you've been sleeping on it, please wake up right now. Wake up. Because number one, this platform I'm going to be sharing with you, not only will you be making money from commissions, I mean when you refer people to buy products, but you would also make money from just telling somebody to join even without buying a product. Now this is it. If you know that you shop online, whether your gadgets, everybody shops online. Who doesn't shop online? It could be your gadgets, it could be sometimes your clothing, it could be footwears, it could be basically anything. People shop online for basically anything. Now this is where you come in. You want to be an affiliate for every platform that you shop on. As long as they have an affiliate program, you want to ensure that you are signed up on their platform. Now there is this very popular platform that we have that just came up, and guess, you're right, Temu. So now on Temu, do you know that you can actually sign up on Temu to be an affiliate and then also refer people, not just to buy products, but to also be an affiliate and refer other people, and by so doing you make a lot of money. And of course you already have a platform. If you're watching this, I believe you have a channel on YouTube, because that's what I do. I teach people who have channels how to grow on YouTube. Okay, so of course, if you want to also create a channel, I do that too on my one-on-one class. So yeah, so what you want to do now is to go on Temu. I'm going to show you how to do it. Go on Temu, sign up, get your affiliate link and code, get your influencer link and code. I'm going to show you that too. Get your influencer link and code. Aside that, what you want to now do is to go on your platform. Now the good thing about this is you are not restricted to this platform, that is YouTube. You can use it for your TikTok account, your Instagram account, your YouTube account, whatever account that you know you are doing very well on, right? You can go ahead. I'm going to give you a tip, okay? I hope I do not forget, but you can go ahead and then post on all of these accounts. Do you understand? And once you post your link there, of course you are sharing your videos, anybody can buy anything. Now the good thing about this thing is, once you buy a particular product from this platform and then you post your link and people go there, the thing is, humans, we always, our wants are never, our wants are endless, so to say. So anybody can go there and assign the product that they initially went there for, they can decide to shop for one or two other things or even more. Do you understand? And then the thing is, it doesn't have to be restricted to just women, or it doesn't have to be restricted to just men. So even if you have a channel that you know that most of your audience are women, it still doesn't mean men shop from women's stores. So in case you don't know, yes, because men have wives. So even if your channel is all about women, you can post, still go ahead and post. Even if it's men's products, you see, go ahead and post, because women too would want to buy things for their boyfriends, for their husbands, for their significant other, for their children, for their friends. Yes, we buy things for our friends. So That's a good thing about it. So once you get your link, just post on all of your other platforms and enjoy. So I'm going to quickly go into my phone screen and share with you how you can sign up for the affiliate program, and then also how you can get your general link, how you can get your deep link, how you can also get your influencer link. Because yes, there's an influencer link, especially if you have a platform that has quite a number of followers. For example, on YouTube, if you have up to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Okay, so and I'll come back to share with you a bonus tip. Do not forget, if at this point you haven't liked, please do well to give this video a thumbs up right now and join this family. Haven't you joined? Don't you love us already? Don't you love me already?
Very easy. So just move down.
Now, the link for you to get on this affiliate program is right there in my description box alongside the code. So you want to hop there right now, click on that link and get registered.
Can you see? Earn commission with Temu affiliates and influencer. So this is it. You'll be getting up to 10 to 30% commission. I'll just come down here to where it says how to start with the Temu affiliate program. Join, share, achieve. So tap on join now. Okay, so once you tap on join now, you want to just get registered, put in maybe you can use that decide to get registered via Google, Facebook, Apple, or you get registered with any email address. So let me just put so you just tap on continue and then just select a password. Once you tap on register, you can see this. Let me just hit the claim now. I just claimed 3k. They said this is your cash account or earning. So whatever it is that you're earning, you can withdraw through Temu credit. So just tap on I got it already. So it says discover how to boost your earnings, share referrals for high returns. You can start sharing. So just tap on I got it. So referrals can get general link, deep link, and also invite people to also join the affiliate program, and you still get a commission. Okay, click here to get your affiliate link, then you click on this influencer to link your social media account to it, and then you accept.
Okay, so my bonus tip for my amazing creators who have stayed up to this point. If you have stayed up to this point, say yes in the comment section so I can know you. Okay, so what you want to do is, now you have a TikTok account. In fact, if you do not have a TikTok account, go ahead and create a TikTok account. Now, one thing about this is on TikTok, you have a lot of people and a lot of people who have money to spend, who are ready to spend their money. You have a lot of teens, you have a lot of youths, and you know that youths now want to get a lot of things now. Do you understand? So what you want to do is go, and it's so easy for you to grow your TikTok account. A friend of mine shared this with me. So what he said was, once you have your TikTok account, you want to create a you want to make your TikTok account professional. That's a business account, such that you'll be able to run ads on it. Now, with 2,000 naira, with 3,000 naira, convert it to your own currency, right? With 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, you can run a sponsored ad. And what you're doing basically for that ad, what you're trying to achieve is to get for yourself followers. And it's easy for people to just click and follow you. So just look for anything interesting and post on TikTok. People will still watch as long as it's interesting, as long as it's giving value, it's educating, entertaining, whatever, inspiring. People will still watch, and then just keep running sponsored ads on those videos and get for yourself followers. Now, once you can get up to, I'm going to post a screenshot, a certain number of followers, you can become an influencer, right, for this particular Temu platform. And of course, you're going to be getting a lot of people click on your link, a lot of people buy your products, and you'll be making not small money. Trust me, not small money. Anyways, don't let me talk too much. Do not forget I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions and also video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. So if you need me to hold your hand and guide you through this process, do not forget, go into my description box, hit the link to my seller store, SELER, and book for any of these packages. I'll see you either on my next video or in class. Start sharing your link now. If you snooze, you lose. Bye.